Hello everyone, welcome to another TradingView tutorial. Now for those of you who want to learn how to invest better, we are uploading 5 different videos about TradingView a day. Now today I will show you how to remove all drawings and indicators on TradingView. Before we get started, subscribe down below and let's get started. So as you can see, this is very simple. All you have to do is you have to click on the left panel button to open the drop down menu, and then you need to click remove drawing tools and indicators. This is basically how you're going to do it here, and then just remove drawing tools and indicators. This will remove all drawings and all indicators on TradingView, and this will pretty much give you a more clear view on pretty much your your investments and your portfolio and stuff like that, right? So all you have to do again, just go here, click the left panel button to open the drop down menu, then click remove drawing tools and indicators, and that will pretty much remove it pretty much all. So if you want more videos like this, definitely consider checking out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.